Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits. What if night became your day? 30 days, no sunlight. Your world flips. What does science say happens inside your body? The answer is surprising. Day 1. The sun sets. This is your morning now. Streets are empty. Energy feels high. Inside you is a biological clock synced to sunlight. Remove the sun height, it fights back. Day 2. Your brain still pushes melatonin at sunrise. You feel suddenly exhausted. Day 3. Your hunger signals are confused. Stomach growls at 3 in the morning. By day 4, your core temperature drops wrong. Cold hands, slow reactions, strange fog. Day 5. Focus becomes difficult. Simple tasks take longer. Your brain is running slow. Day 6. Sleep finally comes at 7 a.m., but it feels shallow. Dreams are fragmented. Week 1 done. Mood is lower. Patience is thinner. Your social life has already shifted. Day 8. Something shifts. Your body begins brabbling, slowly adjusting to the new schedule. By day 10, melatonin release begins shifting later. A partial adaptation has started. Hunger adapts too. By night 12, your stomach growls at 2 a.m. on schedule. 2 weeks in. No sunlight means your vitamin D production has dropped to near zero. Midpoint. Sleep disruption weakens immunity. Small colds become more likely now. Day 17. Isolation hits harder. Humans are daytime creatures. Night feels lonelier. Cortisol spikes at wrong hours. Stress rises without cause. Your body is fighting itself. 3 weeks in, your body has partially adapted, but the cost has already been paid. Day 22. You fall asleep faster now. Your rhythm has shifted down, but not perfectly. Some night shift workers report better focus at 2 a.m. Your brain adapts surprisingly fast. But day 25 reveals the true cost. Friends disappear. Relationships become strained. Skin tells the story too. Without UV exposure, collagen slows. Complexion looks paler. Testosterone and growth hormone depend on sleep quality. Both show measurable drops now. Day 28. 2 days left. Your body feels like it belongs to the night now. Night shift nurses report this exact pattern. Adaptation comes paber, but at a long-term cost. Day 30. Final night. Your circadian rhythm has shifted by 6 to 8 full hours. Your circadian clock lives in the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It runs on a 24-hour cycle. Darkness triggers melatonin from your pineal gland. Light suppresses it completely and instantly. Cortisol naturally peaks at sunrise. It wakes you up. Flip the schedule, Harry, and chaos follows. Deep sleep and REM cycles shift with your rhythm. Disruption reduces both quality and duration. Sleep deprivation reduces killer T-cell activity by 40% within 1 week. Metabolism slows at night. Eating at wrong biological hours increases fat storage risk. Metabolism slows at night. Eating at wrong biological hours increases fat storage risk. Chronic night shift work links to higher rates of diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Light therapy boxes can partially reset your clock. Timed exposure helps restore the rhythm. If you work nights, Dad, protect your sleep zone. Blackout curtains. No screens before bed. Protect social bonds. Schedule video calls during overlap hours.
Isolation is the hidden danger.
Returning to day schedule? Shift by 1 hour every 2 days. Gradual wins every time. Your body is not built for permanent night, but it can adapt with a real cost attached.
Start your morning exercise journey today. Subscribe for more health science. See you next time.